Crypto Bros, I want to give you a quick update after a short that we've done here on Bitcoin. I showed you this entry in the last video and it didn't work. It didn't work because it wasn't exactly on point. The difference was like 1%, less than the 1%. But still, if you manage to open the short before or right somewhere here, or if you didn't wait for the entry, congrats to you. You basically used the candle, the 8% drop perfectly, okay? So congrats to everybody who took this trade. I was waiting for a better entry, so once again, we had a good prediction on the market, just the entry. So what's gonna happen next in this video? I'm gonna show you just a quick update, what I feel like is gonna happen within next days and weeks on the market. Before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, So the first thing, once again, let's zoom in a little bit. Let's go to 15 minutes chart and let's see that. So once again, we went from 44,000 all the way down to 40,200. Then we bounced back to 43,400. Now we are trading at 42,300. What's gonna happen next? Look, next 2 weeks will be probably very, very boring on the market. There will be less volatility comparing to previous months. Historically, this is what we have. Also, like historically, we've almost always been having very bullish Octobers. And historically, we also very often have during the Christmas time, during the New Year's Eve time, during December, basically, less volatility on the market, which means I don't think we're gonna have breakouts of this level, which means most likely we're gonna be basically trending within this range of 40,000. And considering that those were spikes and these spikes were quickly bought in, considering that, I'll be looking at something like between 41,000 and 43,400, and I will be trading within this range for the next 2 weeks. So if you get to this level, 43,300, will be shorting the market. Is as simple as that. If we get to this level around 41,000, will be longing the market, and there could be a possibility for 2, 3, 4 trades like that within this time of 2 weeks. Once again, like you can see, I'm not in my studio. There will be some changes. I'm gonna get to a new office in a new place, completely new place, just improving and getting everything better quality. For the bull market, this is what we have to do, always improve. Like you can see, fear and greed, we are in a big greed now. It's not an extreme greed, but it's a big greed. Like you can see, we went from 74 to 67, but it's still a greed. So basically, that's how I see the market. I don't think we're gonna have anything crazy this week. Ledger growth hack, there's been so many newses already this last month, so I expect slower 2 weeks now and basically trading within this range. I think there is a possibility for some good entries. I might be updating you with that also. So once again, if you're a trader, if you want to just take advantage of what's going on in the market, go down below in the description. You have a link to BingX. You can basically spot, copy trade here, use derivatives. If you're experienced traders, they have now Super X Trading Championship, 1 million USDT to be won, and like you can see, you can trade here. I'm gonna show you actually D-Days once again. This is like Christmas events, and the event ends basically with this year. They've also just launched their new tool, which is MT5. This is only for pro traders. Let me know if you want me to cover that in more details. There's maximum leverage 100x, liquidation ratio 10x, and there's BingX MTX Forex high leverage account over 1000x. So once again, this is for pros. If you're just a beginner, go to spot. Okay, go to spot, don't even touch lever, and just learn about it. Also, if you haven't seen my full beginners tutorial, I'm gonna leave you a link somewhere here, so check this out. So once again, congrats to everybody who took this trade, who took the short here on Bitcoin. And still remember, keep in mind that we are after crazy pump. Don't forget that. So I'm also counting only from 26,000 to like 44, and it's 70%. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna update you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.